Hello, thank you for joining me for this new and exciting tips tutorial on the 3x3x4. Let's get started. So this is the 3x3x4 cuboid. It's not a shapeshifter. It only goes straight like this, like that. So, and like this. So the last couple videos I did, I showed how to solve these two layers here, and they're solved all the way around. So now I'm going to show this inner layer, the third layer going up, how to solve this one. And so what you do is you look for a pair, and here's a pair right here, the two blue like that, the snake eyes. And I'm going to show you on the 3x2, because if you look at it, it's like this. Here's the two layers. I'm going to show you on this one so you could see it, because then you're able to see what happens on top too. So same thing, the snake eyes are here, we put on the left side, and we'll do this move. We'll do a right, then an up. So you do right, up, another right, up invert, right, up invert, and on the bottom you're doing a down going this way. Another right, up invert, another right, so this connects. You bring it back like this, and up, then a right, and then up invert. So I wanted to show it on here just because so you could see firsthand what's happening over here, even though you can't see it because because there's another layer on top. But I just wanted to show it to you, so make it a little easier for you when you do your move on it. So you put the snake eyes on the left side here, and we'll do the same move. Right, up, right, up invert, another right, do an up invert, and then this layer, another down. You do a right, up invert, a right, then an up, another right. So what happened was it built the bar here, filled in the center, and it filled in these corners. It solved those. So the next move we're going to do is these two are going to switch. So once you have this case, which you'll get, you keep the bar on the left side like that. Put these two right here on the right in front of you and on the right side. And then we'll do this move. It's a different one. You do a right, up, right, up, right, up 2, 1, 2, another right, another up 2, 1, 2, another right, up, another right, and an up invert like that, another right. So what did happen is the two centers switched from here to here, and your third layer is completely solved. And then we got one left on top. Maybe I'll just show it to you, and we'll go from there. We'll see what happens, because might get the parity, but that's okay. Let's do that. So you put the snake eyes on the left side. If you don't have snake eyes, just do this move. It's the same thing. It's the same move what I showed you here, the first move, to fill in the rest here on the outer corners. So it's the same exact move. So let's do that. You do right, up, right, up invert, another right, up invert, and then on the bottom you do the down, another right, up invert, another right, you do the up, and you do a right. Bring it back. So you're going to have this case here where you got the pink and green like that, or whatever color you have. If you have the different 3x3x4, whatever color pattern you have, you just put two that, like one here that's switching with here. You switch them, you put it in front of you like this. And we do the same move like the last one. The right and the up. Start with the right, up, right, up, right, then an up 2, 1, 2, right, up 2, right, up, right, up invert, and we got the right. So what it came down to is we have the parity here like this and this, where these two need to switch. But the good part is we got that same case, like these two have to switch, so it's going to solve the parity. This is the easier parity switch. Because sometimes on top you'll have the whole top solved, but you still have the parity. So we'll just do this move, the same one we just did, and it will solve everything. Right, up, right, up, right, up 2, right, up 2, right, do a up, right, and we do up invert, then we do another right. So there we go. Our puzzle is completely solved. Every layer, top to bottom, is solved. And I just want to show that because sometimes also you'll get the parity, but you won't be able to do that top layer move, and then, you know, everything gets solved. So yeah, thank you for joining me today for this tips tutorial on the 3x3x4 cuboid. This is the, it doesn't have the label, it's the Yihing. Very good cuboid. Super smooth, super fast. It's a really good one. If you ever get a chance to try it, I'll leave the information description below. Yeah, and if you have any questions or comments, leave them below. I'll be happy to answer you whenever I have a chance. It's Friday here in Chicago. I have my Arizona iced tea, and I'm loving it. So yeah, thank you for joining me. And like I said, if you have any questions or comments, I always reply. I reply to every comment. I'll be happy to answer you. So thank you so much for watching. I appreciate your time, and have a great day.